Just a little over a week remains until Google's highly anticipated Pixel launch event. In the midst of numerous leaks surfacing this week, the latest reveals live images of the Pixel 8 Pro. These images made their way onto Facebook and were also shared on the Google News Telegram account. They showcase the Pixel 8 Pro in what seems to be the black obsidian color variant, one of several options Google intends to release. Judging by the displayed text on the device, it appears the user may be located in Vietnam. From the images, it's evident that the Pixel 8 Pro features relatively thin bezels surrounding a flat display, a departure from the curved screens of previous models. Furthermore, the back of the phone appears to have a matte glass finish, departing from the glossier glass used in earlier iterations. It's worth noting that it remains uncertain whether this matte finish will apply to all Pixel 8 Pro color choices, but it seems probable that the black version will not be alone in this regard, based on recent leaks and images on the Google Store page. This isn't the first time we've glimpsed the Pixel 8 Pro in live images. Earlier in the year, the device was spotted in what seemed to be a tutorial showcasing the temperature sensor, and it made another appearance in a hands-on, likely a prototype unit. Given that Google's Pixel 8 event is scheduled for October 4, it's unsurprising to see these hands-on images emerge so close to the launch date. Now that many details are already known, we only have to wait and see what Google officially presents. In this instance, the live images provide views of both the rear and front of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, with on-screen settings apparently confirming the device's authenticity. As expected, the rear of the Pixel 8 Pro reveals the recognizable camera bar, housing three sensors: a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. There's also a 10.5-megapixel selfie camera on the front. The images of the Pixel 8 Pro clearly showcase a matte finish on the rear and a generous screen-to-body ratio on the front due to its slim bezels. In addition to the obsidian black variant, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is expected to come in sky blue and porcelain color options. The starting price for the Pixel 8 Pro is anticipated to be $899 or £999. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.